What is this bird? Someone identify it.
Red-tailed hawk.
Oh, some of you didn't go to school. What is it?
Red-tailed hawk.
Why do you call it a red-tailed hawk?
Red tail.
The tail feathers are red. So that makes this a red-tailed hawk. Well, here's why we're going to get into some positive ID. This is the tail feathers from a red-tailed hawk. This is the tail feathers from a red-tailed hawk. These are both red-tailed hawks. But because of this, because of the multiple colored tails, this is one of the most misidentified birds on the face of the planet. But it's always usually at the highest point. Well, what's it doing when it's sitting there? Just what this bird's doing. Scanning for prey. Don't move. I've never seen this bird in a while until last month. And in 1 week, I saw 4. So I never saw it in my life, and in 1 week, I saw 4 of these guys. And it just was like a mind-blowing experience. In Illinois, this is an exciting year in birding. Because what we have going on in the state of Illinois... Whoa! Yes. What we have going on in Illinois is what we call an eruption. Stay calm, stay calm. I know you've got some prairie areas or open areas, things like that. I can tell a lot of information from the predatory birds that live in your area. Raptors are great indicators of how healthy ecosystems are.
Yours
If
must
you
be
have
healthy.
raptors nesting on your property,
Your area is
or
healthy.
hunting on your property, that tells me a lot about your property, especially what species of raptor that's in. So, if we have a problem in the population of raptors, that top of the food chain bird, then we know there's something wrong in the environment. We realized something was happening to the population of bald eagles, and what was really weird was it was happening just to juvenile eagles, not adults. There's actually a really easy way to tell a juvenile from an adult. Adults do not get the white head or the white tail until they are 5 years old. That's when they get the head. When they're 1, 2, 3, and 4, they're different model of blacks and browns and whites. And actually, if you're good, if you really want to get into it, you can tell the age of an eagle just by the way it's colored.